Okay, this video is showing the sound of the modified miner. Let me just drop something over here. This is the S9 miner that I modified. It only has a center board. There's two wedges here and here. These wedges are cut like so, cut like so, cut like so, and cut like so. What they do is funnel the air inward, and then they spread the air outward over here. That's a titanium PSU, a 1500 watt Corsair. It's not expending much energy, and as you can see, the fan isn't even spinning to cool it because it's not particularly hot. There's not a lot of soundproofing in the room, and that's on a hard floor, a laminate floor. There's really not much to keep it quiet. You saw it was around 47 dB. The wattage, 456. I'm trying to get a good clear view of this. Sometimes it's hard to read it there. 457 watts. So it's 457 watts. I'm going to walk out of this room. You can see this is a concrete wall. Makes a lot of noise. Doing some repairs in here. And that's a hard laminate floor. So this is not ideal for it to be really quiet. There's no real soundproofing. And as you can see, the sound meter was 48 dB. Backing out of the room, which is under a state of repair right now because we had a leak in the basement. Can't really hear it at all. This is not an issue to run an S9 doing less than 100 watts of TH. It's about 457 watts. I'm going to walk into the other room. I'm going to walk over to here. And here's that S9 right here. These are the stats on it. Let me get rid of that there. Let's give it a recycle up here. You see right there. Okay. Around 4,700. Around 4,700. And you saw back in there it was 457 watts. So that's less than 100 watts. Those fans can only go up to 3,000. You're doing 2,600 and 2,800. Temperature, I had the door closed, was 91. Temperature usually runs around 89. I opened that door, that temperature will go back down. But I had that closed so we would get it to be not hear the loud miners in the other room. I wanted an accurate sound reading. And this is the frequency. This is set to low power mode. Low power mode. If I would have set it to low power enhanced mode, I would get it significantly quieter. I will make one more video. As a matter of fact, we'll do the boot and we'll save it. I'll do another video. Maybe I'll post it tomorrow. Hit save and apply. This is going to give us the lower power. This mod was done very simply. I pulled the full-size 38mm fans, and these are 25mm, 1-inch. Basically, that's a typical dimension of a regular S9 fan, and this is the replacement S9 fan. I specifically used Delta. I like Deltas. This fan can only do 3,000 RPM. And it pushes 113 cubic feet of air. I got a pair of them for my next mod. I use these washers. I use these stainless steel screws. Cut down a piece of spare wood, like so, and then that would slide into the ant miner. Then what I did on this side was I cut an angle like that, 45 degrees. I cut another angle like this, 45 degrees. Did that on both sides. And then you basically had a wedge, which you've seen on the other videos. This is the thicker spacer. This is 7 millimeters. I got these 4 for $16 on Amazon. That's on the input fan. This is the thinner spacer, which is on the output fan. Then what I did was I wrapped this when it was cut straight around, fully, completely around and around. Then I wrapped it with this foam, which is from Frost King. You can see the thickness of that foam. And then I attached with stainless steel screws and rubberized washers. Basically, the idea would be that, let me give you an illustration. Pretend that it's all completely covered and wrapped around. Not partial, but fully and completely covered. And then what I did was, is on the side that faces the interior, I just took these and I put in like half dozen or so here, and did that. Sort of one to hold this down tighter in case the glue fails or the stickiness of the foam fails, and then secondly to make a little bit of resistance for the air that blows through. So then these wedges tighten up the space for the fans to flow, and then when they angle in, the air forces the air in, and then when they angle out at the outside, it actually makes the air get cooler. On the back end, what I did was, through the wall of the miner, I simply just attached these. It's on the other videos. All these parts would allow you to do quite a few. Pair of fans cost me $16. This is $6 at Lowe's. This is $6 at Lowe's. You can see there's plenty left over. This is $19 at Lowe's. I can do maybe 10 more. This was $4. This was $4. This was $1. So if you figure the wood's for free, don't count the wood, you're maybe $3 worth of foam for each miner, $5 or $6 worth of spaces for each miner. Let's say $8 or $9, $16 for fans, $25. And the screw with the rubberized metal washer, you need about 10 of them, about 50 cents, maybe 26, maybe $27. This is that screw and the washer itself, so maybe $27. And with that $27, you get those miners. And we're going to come back here, take a quick look and see if this worked out, because I did do this here. Here we go. I moved it down, and now you're at the lowest setting. If you look at the lowest setting, you see it's been up for 3 minutes. It's 3,300. Temperature is really cool. 77. Look at those fans. The sound in that other room. Let's go in and take a quick check, because then I'll be done. It'll be the entire video, and I still have enough time that YouTube will let me do this long video. So we're going to go back to the other room. You'll see it's really quiet. Let's see what it sounds like here. Yeah. Once I talk, it throws off the video, the sound, but it's under 40, 36. Nice and quiet. She did cycle up again.